Hey, this is Byron, and welcome to the Stock Master Show. Okay, first thing, I told you, let me see, Amazon was going to go up. Guess what? It went up again. I'm the best in the world at this. Amazon went up. Amazon went up, just like I said. And a couple of my other stocks went up as well. We will take a look at that. But right now, oil. Oil is affecting the stock market. I want everybody to get a perspective of what's going on. Oil is affecting everything. Prices going up, gas prices going up. The economy is in inflation right now because of the Middle East tension between the United States and the Middle East, or Iran. So that's what's affecting the stock market. I want to update you every day on what's going on in the stock market. Now, I am a professional short-term investor, and I am the best in the world at this. I made a lot of money for everybody, including myself. Stacks of money. That's right. I made a bunch of money I took that out the bank just to show you. But I'll just let you know that's why I don't want anything in return. You don't have to give me anything. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and share my video, and hit that bell button. I make money on my picks anyway, so I just want to make money for you. That's my God gave me this gift to give to you, and that's my goal in life, to make money for people, because I lost money when I was younger, and I want to make money for people now, and myself included. But anyway, oil prices affecting the stock market. Other things are affecting the stock market too. Earnings came out. Earnings came out for Alphabet, Google. That's doing pretty good. And Amazon. Amazon, just like I said, Amazon is doing pretty good, and I recommended that. Now, after the market closed today, I'm going to have another stock for you most likely. I'm going to do my best. But I want you to take a look at some of the advice this professional gives towards the stock market.
Season, the scorecard for how it's been, and then what you're expecting in the week ahead. But before we jump into that, we're sitting closer to records than not. We hit fresh records on Friday. What's your take on the markets right now?
Momentum, and momentum is really tough to fight, especially when you look at where it's coming from. If you look at any of the moving averages, talk to our technical analyst friends like Jay Woods, the 5-day, the 50-day, the 200-day, all averages above their normal trending averages, and that means there's momentum. Hard to find a bearish case there, especially when companies are posting some really strong earnings. You have the split in the market of companies being affected by oil prices, by commodity prices, by potentially subdued consumer spending, and then you have the tech companies, the chip companies, and the
tech and chip companies
spending like crazy and stacking
profits.
Let's get your scorecard on earnings so far. They've been strong overall. You had monster quarterly profits for Alphabet, Google, Amazon.
When I recommend that.
There was some stress. People were like, hey, where are we going from here?
Yeah.
What are you paying attention to under the hood?
Margin expansion. 7 out of the 11 S&P 500 sectors reporting net profit margin expansion. What are we paying for as investors? Net profit margin expansion.
Net profit maintenance,
especially future profits. And if it looks like they're going to keep coming our way,
I can't
like
say the
they
word.
do from this earnings season so far, then that's what you want. And that's exactly what investors are focused on. There was a period of time there where they said, all these hyperscalers are paying too much, they're spending too much, where are the profits going to come from? Just look at that, net profit margin expansion, per share profit growth for the S&P 500, 27%. That's the highest since the fourth quarter of 2021 when we were coming out of the pandemic. You don't see that normally, and that's why we're seeing the strength in the market.
But for not everyone is treated equal. For instance, Microsoft, yes, we've seen a little bit of recovery, but the market doesn't seem like it's as much of a fan of its spending. Even with strength and profit.
Right, because software stocks and software companies are really under pressure right now. And if you look at any of the industries that are going to be impacted by AI, it's going to be software first, because guess what? Enterprises, big companies, pay licenses per seat. Now, if the AI solution that you have within your company can do that better, you don't need 500 seats. You need 1 or 2 clients there. And that's why you're seeing the software companies under pressure. The chip.
Yes, I am a short-term investor, and he gave some great advice. But the chip makers cannot make enough chips. I mean, Micron Technology is up like 52% again. It's crazy. All the chip makers are making money, and it's making a difference in the stock market. Of course, the oil prices are affecting the stock market as well. That's why you see this big inflation going on. Prices are going up, gas prices going up. You see it everywhere. See, I'm taking you inside the stock market. Okay, but please like, subscribe, and share my video, and hit that bell button so my videos can get to you. I want to continue to make money for you, and later on today, I'm going to have a hot stock for you, I promise. I just wanted to show you some different different perspectives of the way people think when it comes to the stock market. Now I'm gonna give you my perspective. Okay, I understand people. People do not have time to research a stock. I understand that. They have a job. They have family. They have responsibility, things to do. That's where I come into the picture. I will do all the legwork for you, and I will find a hot stock for you. Although there's a lot of tension going on between Iran and United States, and it's affecting the stock market. Donald Trump, but that's just the way it is. Anyway, I need you to subscribe to my channel so I can give you every day what's going on in the stock market, so you can make money just like I'm making money. I'm making boatloads of money. I am making boatloads of money. Yes, I am. But I want you to make money, and that's important. This could be your main form of income if you do it right, and allow me to help you please make money in the stock market. I lost money when I was young, a lot of money in the stock market, and I made it a goal of mine. When I get back on my feet, I am going to help people. I am going to help people when it comes to making money in the stock market. I'm definitely going to do my best, but you have to allow me to do it, because there wouldn't be no me on one side of this camera without you. I need your help to let me help you make money in the stock market by subscribing, liking, and sharing my video. There's 3 ways to contact me. I want to get this out the way. You can email me, you can leave comments so I could contact you, or you can FaceTime me. My name is Byron Banks. Now, let's see what's going on in the stock market right now before the stock market closes. My camera is so hot. Let's look at MU, up 32. Look at it. I recommend it. Look at Amazon, up 2.48. It was up a lot higher. And look at TWLO. I recommend that, up 8.90. I'm the best. Subscribe, like, and share my video, and hit that bell button so I can make money for you. Let's look at the Dow Jones. Look at that. All that's up. The Dow Jones is down 542 points. The NASDAQ is down 65 points. The S&P is down 33 points. And yet my stocks are still up. I am amazing. But let's see the reason why the Dow Jones is down right now. Okay, let's take a read at the U.S. markets. The S&P 500 is in second place on Monday afternoon. Trying to keep up with the camera. Okay, down 30 points. Briefly, the S&P 500 constituents lows. Stanley Black and Decker. Okay, that's not important. That's not important right there. I'm trying to go over everything the season important. Missing earnings. Okay, today's drop. Okay, meanwhile, Micron Technology, that's my MU. Look at that. Look at that. Up 30, up, at 572, up 30.67 is near the top of the standings. Ooh, topping all-time high as memory stock enjoy another bout of strength. Now, with that being said, I told you, chips are doing good. Chip makers are doing very well. So I need you to like, subscribe, and share my video, please, so I can get this information to you on a daily basis. I'm kind of rushing this because I got to prepare for tomorrow, the stock market. I got to prepare for tomorrow and let you know what's going on. That's all I do, 24 hours a day. So it was kind of a rush job, this video right here, but it's very, informative. And I'm trying to make sure you understand what's going on in the stock market. I should have another hot stock for you today, so bear with me. And I'm gonna talk to you on my next video. Right now, I gotta prepare another hot stock for you so you can make money.